بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا صلى الله عليه وآله وصحبه وسلم وبعد. How are you guys? Fine. So may Allah keep you happy. We hope that inshallah you all will be enjoying your life. So first of all, I want to introduce today's topic. So it's very interesting. If you take this class, so inshallah it will be very good for you, inshallah. Okay, so here I draw a diagram. In this diagram we have some columns and rows like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7 column and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 7 rows. Okay, so here I want to show only a method of analyzing a sigha or method of practicing a sigha. In other easy words, a complete method to research on a single sigha. So what is this sigha made from where this sigha came, and what we can made from this sigha. Okay, so it will be very interesting topic, inshallah, if you pay your attention to interactive board. So inshallah it will be easy for you. So in the first right corner box, I will write here mawzoon. Okay, mawzoon, mawzoon, and in other here asal, and here wazan, and here seh aqsam. Okay, and here shash aqsam. Oh, sorry, very rough writing this. So, okay, so I will forgive me for this. Okay, shash aqsam, and here haft aqsam. Okay, haft aqsam, and here dwazda aqsam, 12 times, and here I will draw another manual line. Okay, here charda aqsam, 14 times. Okay, mawzoon, asal, wazn, seh aqsam, shash aqsam, haft aqsam, dwazda aqsam, 14 aqsam. After it we will write here another line, qanun. Okay, qanun, and at the last we will write here bab. Okay, so many other scholars add some other columns. Inshallah we will also learn about them, inshallah. Okay, so here is a beginner class, so I will teach only the basics and in easy way. Okay, so here I write these all things in one row and in different boxes. So these are that I written, these are all Farsi words. Okay, Persian. Okay, Farsi, Persian, Dari, you can say. So I will write here in English, so it will be more easy for you. Okay, so in the first row we write here in first column mawzoon. Okay, so I will write here the meaning of mawzoon in English: a thing to be a thing for weight. Okay, it will be good. A thing for weight, a thing available for weight. Okay, which is available for weight. In asal, the real form. the real form of صيغة. Okay, of صيغة. And wazn is a simple weight. And say aqsam is 3 types. Okay, do you know 3 types? Inshallah, you all know about 3 types, like ism, fail, harf. Okay, so here shish aqsam, 6 types. Okay, 6 types. And 6 type like sulasi, mujarrad. I will explain all the things, inshallah. And half aqsam, we will write here 7 types. And Dwazda aqsam mean 12 types. Okay, these are will I explain, inshallah. 12 types. 14 aqsam, which sigha is wahid, jama. Okay, in gardan, in 14 sighas. In gardan we have 14 sigha. Okay, and qanun, which law we apply to this sigha, which law of sarf. And bab, which bab, tafa'il, tafa'ul, mufa'ala, ifal, istifal, etc, whatever. Okay, so here in the first box we write here mawzun. So mawzun mean the a thing for weight, like this pen. Okay, live example I am giving to you. This pen, when I put on a scale, okay, so it the scale tell me that how many gram or how many pound is this pen. Okay, so this thing will be mawzun. Okay, so this thing will be what? Mawzun. Okay, and the asal mean what will be the real form of a sigha. Okay, so because the thing why I give the meaning for mawzuna thing. Okay, so because of when we bring a sigha from outside. Okay, from street, no, not for street. Okay, from an Islamic book, from hadith, from Quran. Okay, if we also like listen a sigha in our street or in our market from a scholar, so we can say that we bring this sigha from street. Okay, from street mean like this I listened from that alim. Okay, so from where you can, it's your wish. So we will bring the sigha and we will put it in the mawzun box. Okay, in this box. In this box we will put the sigha. Okay, after it we will see that what was the real form of this sigha. Okay, so the real form of the sigha, when we know the real form of the sigha, so we will put here. When we know, okay, how to know, we will learn about it. Okay, inshallah. And here wazan, what is the wazan of the sigha? Okay, we are analyzing a sigha, so we want to uh, uh, do our work perfectly. Okay, so up to the mark. So here we will put our sigha for wazan. Here we will write the wazan of the sigha. Okay, and here in say aqsam we will search for its type. Is this sigha ism? Is this sigha fail? Or is this sigha harf? Okay, many of sighas are harf, like like ala. Okay, ba wa ta wa kaf wa lam. Ba is only harf, but it is sigha. Okay, so we can put here that it is harf. If here is harf ba or harf ala. Okay, or harf ruba. Okay, etc. And in shash aqsam we will write here that what is this in shash aqsam? Is this sulasi mujarrad? Is this sulasi mazid fi? Or is this rubai mujarrad, rubai mazid fi, khumasi mujarrad, khumasi mazid fi? Whatever we can write here. Okay, so it is upon us. Okay. So in Haft Aqsam, what is this Sigha? How is the health of the Sigha? Okay. Haft Aqsam you don't know about, so don't worry about it. Inshallah, we will make a proper video on Haft Aqsam. So you will learn about Haft Aqsam. So is this Sahih? Okay. Haft Aqsam Sahih, so Misal, so Muzaf, Lafif, Naqis, Mahmuz, Wajwab. Okay. So is this Ajwab, Mahmuz, Muzaf, Lafif? Okay. Naqis, what? Naqis, Wawi, Ya'i, etc. We will write here. And in the Dwazda Aqsam, like in 12 types, what is this Sigha in 12 types? So if you are the reader of or a learner of Sarf, so you may know about Irshad-us-Sarf. By Irshad-us-Sarf, by Imdad-us-Sarf is a book, very famous book. So at the end of Irshad-us-Sarf, like in the second page, like after full at the end of Muqaddimah. Okay, before Sarf Saghir came, Zaraba Yazribu Zarban for Zarbun Zarbu. Okay, so before it, there came a line. باز عرب از هر مصدر دوازده چیزی را اشتقاق میکنند ماضی مضارع امر نهی. Okay, these all things they mentioned that what are 12 types. Okay, and in 14 types we will write here that if it was mazi, mazare, amar, nahi, whatever it would be, so we can write here. Okay, so in 14 aqsam we will write like in Gardan, which sigha is this? Okay, so every bab has the and every thing in these 12 types like mazi, mazare, amar, nahi. Okay, jahad, nafi, etc. Each has his own Gardan. Like the Gardan of Mazi, Zaraba, Zaraba, Zarabu, Zarabat, Zarabata, Zarabna, Zarabta, Zarabtuma, Zarabtum, Zarabti, Zarabtuma, Zarabtuna, Zarabtu, Zarabna. It is 14 sigha. Count it, slow the video, count it, it will be 14 sigha, inshallah. It's challenge for you. If you are new, if you are senior, so forgive me. Okay, so in the 14 type we will write here the sigha of Gardan. Is this wahid, is this tasniya, is this jama, or is this wahid muzakkar or wahid munas, etc. Whatever we can write here. Okay, and in the Qanun, in the section of law, we will write that which law of Sarf is applying to the Sigha. Okay, or which law of the Sarf we can apply to the Sigha. So we will write there in Qanun. And in Bab is so easy. So is this Bab Tafa'il? Is this Bab Tafa'ul? And if it is Tafa'il, okay, or it is Mufa'ala, it is Istifa'al, it is etc. whatever, so we will write there with their proper name. Not okay, not Bab Tafa'il, Mufa'ala, Istifa'al, etc. We will write like it is Bab Zaraba Yazribu, Bab Fataha Yaftahu, Sami'a Yasma'u. Okay, so like these we will write here. So it is a proper method of analyzing the sigha. So when we catch a sigha from anywhere, so until we do not put or we do not apply these all things, we will not let the sigha go easily, inshallah. Okay, so this will be our task. If here one sigha came, so you could not sleep easy. Okay, so when there comes a sigha, so inshallah you will be able after watching these lectures, you will be able to apply all these things without the help of any teacher, etc. If you are more kind of Arabic Sarf and Nahw, you can also join our courses. We have paid and free courses only for you people. Okay, so inshallah This is no issue. So this was a simple method. Okay. In another video, we will analyze the proper sigha, and I will show that how we can analyze. Okay. So it's enough for now, inshallah. May Allah keep you all happy. So pray for us.